Welcome, Algebra. We're going to do a quick lesson on equations. This will be fairly straightforward. Equations, just like if you look at the word, it's anything with an equal sign. So x equals 1 is an equation. Now, if they gave you something a little more complicated and they asked you to solve it like, I don't know what it would be. So if they gave you something a little more complicated, like, I don't know, 2x plus 2, plus 10, I mean, equals 12. And then they gave you some solution. Well, they could say, just tell me what x is, and then you'd have to kind of guess and check. Or sometimes they'll give you like a set of numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3. And they'll say, from this possible solution set, give me the solution to this problem. So you're going to try it. You're going to put 0 in there, see if it works. You'll put 1 in there, and you'll see that that does work. You'll put 2 in there, it doesn't work, and 3. So then you'll say the solution set, and the way we write it is just with the set thing, put a 1. Okay, the solution set is 1. Honestly, there's not a whole lot more in this section of the book, okay? They're going to give you some things. You're going to kind of guess and check. Actually, I guess there is one more detail that you should know. Equations can have real solutions like we just did there. The solution was 1. But occasionally you'll get an equation that looks a little funny. For instance, what if they gave you x plus 1 equals x? Well, you can look at that and you can see that if you put the same thing in for x, which you have to, this is never going to work, right? It doesn't matter if it's a negative number or a positive number. There's nothing you can put in on the left side and on the right side and add 1 to the left side and have it still be equal. So this is the kind of equation that would have no solution. Or if you want to do it in set language, it would be the empty set, they call it, or the null set. There might be an equation that you can see right off the bat. It looks a little funny also, and you can see that no matter what you put in there for x, it's always going to be true. Okay? So in this case, it would be all solutions. Okay? Every solution that you put in there is going to work. So I just want to point that out because it might come up later on. Most of the times you're going to be solving for a real solution, just 1 or possibly 2 or 3. But there's occasions where there's going to be no solutions, and there's occasions where all solutions are going to work. All right, that's it on equations.